Just carry it for like hand shots, and then when you want something really stabilized and beautiful, you actually turn on the drone. Hey, you good, bro?
Oh, good. Let's go shoot some shit.
You think it's not stable enough on the snow?
It's not stable, I don't know. This part is moving to 1 and 2 because that camera's actually slowly moving.
Wait, it's slowly moving?
Yeah, it's slowly moving right now. For instance, you walk here, it gets close. We do another shot of you walking, and it goes like that.
Okay. Oh. It's moving with the sensor on your phone?
Yep.
That is so cool. I thought you were using like on-screen controls or something. That is so fire.